I have a confession to make. I totally forgot to record an intro yesterday when I actually recorded this video. Here I am today looking pretty much the exact same, and I love this makeup look, so I did it again. Or because I wanted this to look like the same video. But intro, woo! Hello! Welcome back to another video where I show you my Boxycharm box that I got in the mail. And it has totally changed this month. It's crazy. If you want to see what's inside this box, just keep watching. I have had the subscription for a few months now. It's a monthly subscription where you pay $25 and get a box of 5 full-size products, I think. It's been pretty average in the past. I think it's like a decent box. You do get full-size products, which is nice. But this month, man, so much better this month. It's so good. So I've already done half my makeup. I figured I'll just use whatever's in the box, and whatever's not in the box, I already put on my face because I did that. Let's just take a look at what's in the box. I have already opened the box previously because I was just way too excited and wanted to see what's inside. I am so impatient, so I've opened it, I've looked at it, I've actually used one of the products, but I tried to wait for the rest of them, even though I did get the box yesterday. In saying that, yesterday being like, what, the 7th of the month? Usually the box comes like between the 15th and 18th. This time it came super early and I have no idea why. Is it because I just moved to Seattle, or I don't live anywhere? Hard to access. Either way, I'm happy that it came faster. That was a fun surprise. What's in the box? Inside looks something like this. You get the piece of paper that tells you about the box and the retail prices. Also, you get this cute little piece of what looks like acoustic foam to protect the insides. I'm gonna start with like the least exciting product. 2 masks, an evening goggle eye mask and a morning goggle eye mask. Do they actually look like goggles? That sounds really intriguing. I love a good mask, especially eye mask. I don't tend to buy them a lot myself because I'm like, try and keep products that I put on my face as natural as possible. Purely because my skin is super sensitive. I'm just not about putting loads and loads of harmful chemicals on my face all the time. I mean, I do that with makeup and I just can't let that go. So I wouldn't typically buy these, but I do find them fun and will use them. They're probably not even that bad for you, but I just could not be bothered to read through all the ingredients. So I just don't buy them. Yeah, these look good. So the 2 masks retail for $12. Boxycharm has created a brush set, I guess, like their own product. Boxycharm has 5 full-size products that are the brands usually, not their own. But this time they've got brushes, Boxycharm brushes. They're a super weird shape. They're kind of oval and got this weird little divot in them. I don't know how I feel about this. Super dense would be good for foundation. This is also super dense, so it would be good for foundation for someone with a really tiny face. Or if you want to do your foundation that's super slow, this brush could be super awesome. I haven't tried it. I'll not let you know. If you want to know if these brushes are good, I guess you can leave a comment, but are you really going to go to Boxycharm and buy them? I am constantly buying new foundation brushes because I hate washing them, so this is a win for me. 2-piece brush set retails for $35. $35 for these? The next thing, this is where it gets a little bit more exciting. This Juice Beauty Stem Cell Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream did come in a box, but I already chucked the box out because I opened it and I have used it. I love their stuff. I actually already own their Stem Cell Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum and I enjoy that. I don't wear it all the time because I'm 25. I don't really need anti-wrinkle formulas. In my mind, if I use anti-wrinkle stuff now, maybe I'll be less wrinkly when I'm older. Will I ever know? No, but makes me feel good. I've actually really wanted to get this myself. Could not justify forking out the $50 or something retail, so I figured I would kind of just wait and sit on it and probably never buy it myself. I was super stoked when I found out that this was going to be in the box. It's just this full-size goodness. I did use it and it's smoothing on the eyes, feels good. Does it work? I don't know. Can I actually tell? Can anyone actually tell if eye creams work? Really happy about that one. That's my favorite product of the box. Retails for $50. I haven't researched that and know exactly how much it costs because I really want it. $50 for this, that's like 2 boxes. Even if next month's box sucks, I don't even care because that's basically this product alone. I'm fine with that because I love this. So I'm just like really happy with this box. If you're thinking about it and you weren't sure, like, I mean, I would recommend it. If you don't have that kind of money to spend on this kind of stuff, then don't do it. Moving on to the makeup. Got this Dose of Colors liquid lip. I have actually already opened this and used it last night. I couldn't help myself. Retails for $18. This is in the shade Flirty. Pretty sure that Dose of Colors made this specifically for Boxycharm, but I'm pretty sure you can purchase it on Boxycharm. I don't know how the purchasing works. Very pretty color. I just got that everywhere. Yay. So that's really nice. Looking forward to testing that out the second time time, the Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics. It is such a pretty palette. Again, I think is specifically for Boxycharm. I'm not sure, but this is small. This is great. And $35 for this. The colors look super pretty, definitely along my lines. Love the oranges, the shimmer shades, pinks. Blue's weird, but I'll try it. This is definitely the kind of palette I would buy, and I love how small and compact it is. And the best part is I paid $25 for all of this, so I really did not pay a lot of money to get all of this product, which is such a great time. I don't know about you, but I like saving money because I like buying stuff, and if I save money, I can buy more stuff. That's how that works, right? Jez loves it. I did get a foundation sampler. This is just a shade matcher. I'm pretty sure they sent this for future boxes. They can then start adding foundations and concealers, I guess. I'm pretty sure that's what I gathered for the information they gave. I feel like that's good. It just opens up the great option of products that they can add to the box. That's a great idea on their part. Love that. So I need to pee. Okay, but for real, we're gonna use the palette because I really want to test out these shades. Eternal Light, Fireball. Whose idea was it to swatch? Black Matter, Zero Gravity, Lucid Dreams, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, Mystic Ice. I think like the color story of all of that is really pretty. Let's use it. I'm gonna start with Did you just hear my stomach grumble? I think I'm hungry. That's actually a really nice color, and I could just leave that. That's nice. I do want to make this a little bit something more. I do want to go into that super vibrant pink. I'm so hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet. It's 4 p.m. My daily routine: wake up, coffee, vitamins, caffeine, food. I've just been slowly strolling through that. Found myself recording in the midst of it. Realized I haven't eaten and I'm hungry. I'm gonna go super fast so I can eat something. I just took both of those colors underneath my eye as well. Let's take that Fireball color. Such a pretty color, and I am so hungry. I think I'll make some eggs on toast. That sounds really nice. I do want to lighten it up, so I want to go in with the Eternal Light color. I think that's looking really nice. I like that. I want to quickly go in with that Black Matter. I want to test that out just on my lash line. I actually really like that color. It looks more purple on the eyes now. I do think that the shimmery colors, especially that really light shimmery color, feels very gritty and powdery, not creamy. Other than that, great palette, really good colors. Love this. Let's do a quick liner, mascara, and lashes. These lashes were a little bit hard to manage. I did get them from Amazon. Their band is a little too thick. It's hard to mold on your eye. Also, they're a little bit long and I didn't trim them. That made it harder. I feel like it's fine. Let's do the lips. I'm not really sure what happened, but I just checked the viewfinder and I am so orange. I always forget at least one thing. Why can't I just do things well? Getting into this lip. I always make sure my lips are moisturized before I put on a liquid lip. Otherwise, it just does not feel good and I hate the feeling of dry, crusty lips. So this is in the shade Flirty. This is what it looks like. It feels really nice on the lips. It could take a really long time to dry down, but from wearing it last night, it felt really good for a really long time. This could be my new favorite liquid lip. I really love the Ofra liquid lipsticks, but this is nice. And I really didn't pay for it, so that's cool. You get some really good products, great brands. Also, it's so fun and I love presents, so getting a monthly present in a box, yes, all for that. This has been so much fun. I mean, basically you just sat here with me as I did half my makeup today. Thanks for keeping me company. I'm actually gonna go to the treadmill again. So I'm gonna go get on the treadmill and do my treadmill diaries. If you aren't following me on Instagram, go follow me me at Amy_Leesha, so you can go see my daily treadmill diaries. Also, if you like this video, give me a like. You guys are great. Thanks so much for watching. I'm done. Bye.